Previously on High on Life.
Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, hey, you made it. You got my fresh Fergles?
What? Yeah, this is the guy we're looking for.
Come on. Huh, I don't see a warp device on you. Come on, is Krubus making you hoof it around on foot? Oh, that cheapskate bastard. Same old Krubus. I'm telling you, man. Here, I got an extra. Don't let anyone ever tell you Ranchi's not a generous fella, okay? There's an unused warp disk in there, too. You know, warp in whatever's on there. I don't care. It's free of charge. There's a river near here. You can probably cross with it. Oh, man, go nuts. Warpaholics.
Wow, thank you!
Hey, come here. Lean in close. Get close to me. Yeah, I'm sure Krubus told you I'm here on Zephyr to break ground on a new Delarmo Land resort. Yeah, I'm that Ranchi Delarmo, CEO, Delarmo Industries. This one's gonna be even better than the one on Glashborg 12. Trust me, man. That guy's busy as shit, always hopping from site to site. He's got like 30 different mines. So I had a Krubus.
Alright, okay, we got a warp device. You know, that's gonna be helpful. Why don't we use it to cross this river so we can go talk to the Moplets and check in with them?
Dava.
Looks like they're working on fixing this portal. You know, hey, maybe we can use it later, you know?
Ron Shenanigans. Matamasun.
Okay, let's use this warp device Ranchi gave us to cross the river, huh?
Hey there, it's me, Pseudo. I'm back. Looks like you're trying to use that new warp device you just got. You want me to help you out?
Ron Shenanigans.
Great work! Wow, wasn't that fun? Okay, see you later. I'm diving right back into Gene's old porn archives. Even AI can jack off.
Shit, nice work! You know, we can use this space as a bridge. Come on, fucking move!
Hey, where you want me to fucking go, huh? You
Chili
want us
box
to disappear
up to
in the
someone.
fucking traffic? Hey!
Holy shit, where the fuck are we?
Hey,
You wanna check in with the Moplet leader? Cause, you know, that's kind of what we're supposed to do right now.
Fuck up!
I'm gonna fucking kill
you,
you!
shithead! Move your fucking car!
No, fuck you!
What'd you say?
Ano ba yung gusto na ako?
Oh, a little busy. Sorry.
Siya may susasakang gila ngayon sa chinang reak. Saka... Sabong. Ako sa pit niya. Alay.
How was the man in the mansion?
Ranchi? Yeah, that guy has serious problems, but he gave us this warp device.
By the gods, you've done it! You got the warp device!
This might actually work.
You continue to provide us with hope, Grand Savior. With this warp device, you can warp Krubus directly to you.
How fortuitous.
But alas, you'll need his coordinates and a blank warp disk to encode them onto. Oh well, no way you're getting those.
That stuff's in the mines. We could just go down there and get it right now.
All right. Take this access code and head down to the mines. Everything you need is there.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. You know, you guys figured out that whole plan for us. You know, that really means a lot. You know, it clears things up for us, you know. Anyway, yep, we'll get it done.
SS9.
Nice moves! All right, let's use the passcode and get in. Nice!
Jeez,
are the G3 even trying to domesticate the local mites? Boy, you are always in some kind of rush, aren't you? I'm not judging. I'm just observing. Holy shit, looks like the G3 ran into trouble. Maybe they'll sort this out themselves.
Aloy.
It's nice to kill something guilt-free, you know?
Everyone
says I have beautiful eyes.
I know, right? Beautiful. I heard you. Where are you?
Go to heaven.
Lompas. I hate this.
Killing these weak fucks doesn't do anything for me.
한옥순. 야바.
Is this the entrance to the mines? Jesus, they really fucked this place up. I didn't know it had gotten this bad. These guys just don't let up, do they? Oh shit, Grentons. Gotta be honest, you know, they're working for the G3, but still better than our friend from earlier. Oh great, these guys. G3. I wait for it.
I'm back. Bitch.
Let's glob it to him.
Ba 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 ba. Shuri?
You look scared.
I could do this all day. Let's do this all day. It's knifey time.
Hey.
Ow.
Those fuckers are getting recouped. Grenade!
Yay! 문 열었다 오는다.
Next time, don't join the G3.
We're supposed to be killing.
Bye.
Okay,
Okay.
great. Whew. All right, now let's try that elevator.
Anh này thì pha trội. Snap
Okay,
by.
this should take us down into the mines. Going down, huh? Sorry, I almost made a crass joke, but I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save. We're better than that. No crass jokes from me. That's a promise. Not from me, anyways. You might warp in some bases, and Lord only knows. But you know, from me over here as a gun character sidekick, no crass jokes. 100% on the level with you, and no bad stuff. Fuck! It stopped.
Okay. Basta sa akin naman. Itong suwaragin na su.
All right, don't forget, we're looking for a blank warp ticket and some way to find out where Krubis is. Let's get to work.
Whee! Whee!
Pretty sure we're gonna survive this.
Itong biyang na yung kusuot.
One less G3 to worry about.
Run away, you're gonna die. Just run away.
Hey,
Run
man,
away, you're gonna
no.
die.
Bye-bye. Dawa, spilling ang saksok. Tension, bitch. I love you.
Nobody's gonna miss you.
Yep. No joke.
Hi there! Come on down to the quartermaster and support the G3. All these. I hope you enjoy your purchase. The G3 will certainly enjoy the extra funds.
Bislich
Have a
guys.
good rest of your day exploring the mines.
Attention, mining operation 12C. It's me, Krubis. Speed things up! I'm fucking underwater here trying to keep things on schedule. And I figured maybe you forgot that if you piss me off, I will kill you. It's really easy to find more slaves. So just do your job and mine more Virgos. Krubis out.
Holy shit! Hey, he's got a Gatlian. We gotta rescue it.
Gillian. Yeah. Lappagon.
All right.
Hey you! Care to make a purchase from the quartermaster?
I fucking hate paperwork. Why the fuck does Garmantuous always stick?
Sumakso ang matamin niya. Sinapa.
We have knifey. Let's use him.
That felt good. Doesn't he know I have fucking drills for hands? For one thing, that means I should be drilling. And for another, it means I...
Corporate. The new hire is coming in today. No.
What?
Excuse me?
I don't know. I've got to go. We'll talk more later. Bye, Merle. I'm so sorry. I didn't see you there. I'm Helen. I just need to know, are you the new hire or the new boss?
Yeah, sure. You know, we're here to work.
Fantastic. You look sharp. I think the team's really going to like you, hon. Let's get you all set up. Head on into the next room and find a place to work. Go on without me. I haven't left this chair in years, and I don't plan to start now.
Thank God they're here.
Hey, you must be the new office clerk, right? just sort through that paperwork for us. We're so small.
Sure. Yes, I will see what I can do. Oh, geez. Okay, this is more paperwork than I anticipated. All right, better get to work.
Kids together. That's not why I came over here. I just think you're nice.
Okay, we're done. No more paperwork. Did you hear me? I said no more paperwork. Not even a fourth stack. Okay, good.
God damn, you filled out those papers like a son of a bitch. Like a real bitch you are. Fuck you. You're promoted. You're free to go into Krubus's office. Why? Because fuck you. That's why. I don't need a fucking reason. I'm Boss McBossington. And I'll be in here jerking off or whatever. Fucking other stuff too. I don't give a shit.
That's not why I came over here. I just think you're nice and pretty and good at listening.
Fuck you.
Huh? So this must be Krubus's office. There's gotta be something here we can use.
Akşam değil.
Krubus, where are you? This is Garmantuous. I just checked the log and you're 3 days behind schedule with the latest shipment. But you know what? It's not that big of a fucking deal. These Fergals aren't gonna be worth shit now that we discovered humans. Might even have to shut this whole operation down just to get all hands on deck over on Earth. I can give your territory to the Screndel brothers and have them expand their facilities to find out more about these humans. Oh, have you tried one of these fuckers yet? Oh, God, the high? It's otherworldly. Can't believe a species like this really exists. Humans! Who'd have even thought? Anyway, don't fuck up again, even if it doesn't matter, or I'll smoke you myself.
Oh, would you look at that? He marked his coordinates on the calendar. Shit! All right, now we just need a blank warp disk to encode this on.
Sheesh. Onu là một xuống nào đó.
We keep asking them to get a canary in case.
Canadian.
And for another, it means I keep shredding all this important fucking paperwork.
God damn it, fucking burns!
Crazy. ABS.
Hello, anyone? Help! We captured one of our captors, but
we do not know.
Hey, listen, we're here to help. What's going on?
Don't get me in trouble.
No, it's okay. We're friends. We hate the G3 too.
Oh, wonderful! Thank God.
So, what's your plan?
We have started a resistance. Not only do the G3 enslave us, but they have desecrated our holiest of sites and absconded with our sweet prince. Prince Chosen One, that's him. Prince.
Oh, that's awful. So you kidnapped this G3 merc as a bargaining chip to get your prince back?
Oh, yeah, that's smart. No, we didn't think of that at all. But it's fine, we know where the prince is. They swapped him out with the rest of our sacred grounds when they warped in a new base.
So you want us to go clear it out and then warp the throne room back?
Oh, heavens! Would you really do all that for us? The base is just past this tunnel. Thank you.
Listen, we're looking for a blank warp disk. Do you have any ideas?
Yes, our prince has a stash of them.
Really?
All you need to do is clear out the warp base the G3 plopped down in our Holy Land. Then you'll reclaim the sacred grounds and rescue Prince Chosen One.
And then he'll give us a blank disk?
Yes, we can help each other. Oh, what a fortuitous happenstance. Oh.
Is his name really Prince Chosen One?
Yes. He was named as such according to the prophecy. And then after that...
So you trust your leaders to prophecies. Is he a good prince?
Well, the prophecy doesn't guarantee he's going to be good at his job. It just tells us who to pick. Look, I don't know. I don't know. Look, if now's not the time to criticize us. I'm just, you know, we're distressed as it is. I'm just doing my job.
All right, we are off. Wow, you know, we're about to rescue a prince. You know, I'm a little nervous. You know, I hope he lives up to the hype. Hey, listen, when has a prince ever let anyone down? You know what I mean? Oh shit, this must be the place. Okay, let's clear it out.
Look at me, dipshit!
Kapitinaos. Yep, run door.
We make a great team, you know?
I biết rồi. Ako ci sa game bit na rumang. Akin niya rin. Kasi sunga na kang sa.
Great, now let's see if there's a disc in here. Okay, let's head back outside and use this to reverse the warp.
Okay. Biết rồi.
Nice, time to meet the prince. This is the chosen one? Okay, I guess the lazy name was appropriate.
And what the hell do you want?
Jeez, we just saved you. You know, maybe you could be a little grateful.
Saved me from what? I'm fine.
Look, we were told you had some sort of blank warp disk.
Huh? Yeah, sure. I've got a bunch.
Okay, we got everything we need. Let's get back to Ranchi's place and see if he, you know, can help us encode them onto this machine.
Prince Chosen One has returned!
All has been restored.
I gave you your warp disk. Now get the fuck out of here.
Prince Chosen One, I'm so sorry, but we're out of Klagorsh. Can I interest you in some Klagorb?
I don't want Klagorb! I want Klagorb!
Da 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 da. Suka chikaru to nakha. Không nhạc sẽ sinh ra sự. Chết rồi, Chishimo. Axaricus.
Hey, Ranchi, we're back. Let's head inside.
Hey, you're back. Thank God. Thank fucking God. Did you bring my Fergles? I need it bad. I need my fix, kid. I need it bad. I need it real bad.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Man, hey, are you all right? Are you having a heart attack or is it Fergal withdrawals?
Does that make you happy? Oh, you love that, don't you? You love to see a master of industry all flummoxed like this, all low and yeah, maybe.
Maybe this is a bad time, but could we use your disk encoder real quick?
What? No, the encoder is off limits until I get my goddamn Fergal fix. Fergals, get him! Hurry.
Hey, tell you what, we're gonna go ahead and use the disk encoder while you're sort of stuck on the ground like that, doing whatever it is you're doing. So don't be mad at us.
Fuck.
All right, looks like it's working.
I'm in a bad spot.
All right, there we go. Time to warp in Krubis and then, kill him if we're able to. You ready?
I don't feel so good at all. Please, get me Fergals. You don't even work for Krubis, do you?
Hey, I've got a crazy idea. What if we just swap out this mansion for Krubis' base?
Why not?
Who the fuck are you?
We'll all be damned. We found Krubis officially. Hey, come down here, asshole! No! Whoa!
Hey, where you going to move the jag off? I'm talking here. J3 bounty hunter! Ah! You didn't like that, did you? Eat shit, dickhead! It's fine to admit you didn't scared. Whoa! Stop shooting at me, asshole!
Sentai!
Eat shit, you jack off! You're done for!
Sorry.
Fuck with me when you don't do a job that has you do paperwork, you asshole! Die already! Fuck you, guys! Fuck you!
Look at this!
Even if you can't beat me, I got more left in me. Just one little Fergal to help me get my energy back up.
So you're an officer in the galaxy's biggest crime syndicate and they have you just doing tedious paperwork? Look, man, just let us kill you. We'd be doing you a favor.
Fucking ambitious bounty hunters!
Come with me.
Why won't you just die? Boom! Boom again! Never fuck with the G3 bounty hunter! Ha! That hurt, huh? Yeah! Ha! I don't feel pain, but I did feel that bullet and it didn't feel good. No, you don't give me enough of this shit. Die already!
More cartel headed this way.
I'm not gonna let you fucking kill me. All right, that hit the spot. Verbal power, baby.
Maybe now isn't the best time, but how do you wipe your ass? Your hands are drills. Do you not wipe your ass?
You're finished, asshole. You're finished, asshole. Never fuck with a G3 bounty hunter. They don't give me enough of this shit. Why won't you just die? Fuck you! Die! Now, honestly, I do appreciate the break. You know, it's all paperwork. You stepped up. Now, honestly, that's the best you got? My paperwork hits harder than you. Ah, that's the best you got? Come on, more!
What is this, you fucking tease? Let me in there. Oh, God, this feels amazing. You have no idea. Oh, God, I'm in heaven right now. Oh, you should see this. Oh, ripping through his grill tendons like they're butter. Oh, fuck. Oh, I was really getting my glumps off there, wasn't I? Sorry about that.
Ooh. Hey, bud, the name's Gus. Feel good to meet you. Look at you, man. Pretty slick taking out Krubis like that, rescuing me from indentured servitude, etc., etc. I love that kind of stuff. You know what? I love that. That's the kind of stuff I love, man. Now, you mind if I tag along with you for a bit?
Of course. That's what I was hoping you'd say. We can use your help. But I should be clear that we are trying to take down the whole G3 cartel, and we might die.
Music to my ears. You think I don't want to take down the cartel? Buddy, that's all I want to do. That's all I dream about.
Amazing. God, I'm so glad to find another Gatlian alive and well. I love your tiny little hands, by the way. I had a cousin who had those tiny hands. He died in the zombie apocalypse on Gatlas, but, you know, look, I'm sure you don't want to hear about that. We had to talk about that.
Here's what I do. I'll shoot discs.
Right? They stick onto certain walls, and you can climb with them. See, that's what I'm talking about. Now climb up there. Aren't you glad you met me?
Oh, shit. Time to fight.
Okay.
I like this.
Hey!
What's up?
No! I just said use the vacuum. Use the damn vacuum.
Hey.
Still a little far away. I'm not sure you can jump to that one.
Oh, hey! It's me, Quentin the Grinch again, your best friend.
Finally! Enough of that guy. They kicked him out of the G3 because he was so damn annoying. He's lonely, he's bitter, and get a life. Some people need a life, and he needed a life, man. Ooh. Freedom, baby! I already felt free when you saved me from Krubis, but now that we're out of the pit, I really feel free. Just shut that out for good.
Sorry.
Took you long enough to use me again? Jesus!
Hello again!
Fucking shit. Ready to go. All right, let's head back turn in the bounty, blow Gene's mind that we're still alive?
다음부터 지구작성해. 이유 누르나?
I'm ready for whatever's clever.
Who's back? You think I'm supposed to be impressed that you killed a G3 officer? Well, okay, fine. I am. I think it's pretty insane you didn't die. That's all you're getting out of me. Now, turn that bounty in. And who's that green fella you got there?
What's up? I'm Gus. It's good to meet you.
Hey, you gonna turn in that bounty or just loiter in my living room? Sorry, your living room. For now.
You're not gonna believe this. What is it?
Namasaya ako tasok.
Oh, cool. You got yourself another talking gun? And this one's green? Wow, who cares? No one.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine. Be rude. My name is Gus. Not that it matters to you.
There we go. Look at you. You're getting the hang of this bounty hunter thing already.
How'd the mission go?
They killed a G3. Looks like I taught them well.
Wow, really? Whoa, okay. Well, I'm impressed. Yeah, I was always hoping you'd find your calling. I didn't think it would be bounty hunting. But then again, I don't know what I thought it would be. Maybe hairstyling, and not good at it.
And what's wrong with bounty hunting?
Ugh. Can you please tell this dried up sack of shit to go home? I don't want to share a couch with him.
Tough titties, Leslie. You're kidding me, had a deal.
It's Lizzie! And that's not my kid. Jesus, we're siblings.
Sorry, I don't know how your species works yet. Sibling, fine, got it. Doesn't change a thing. I live here now.
Come on, can't he find his own place to stay?
Hey, that's not right. I'm barely taking up any space. You know we had a deal fair and square.
Oh, good. For a minute there, I was scared you were gonna side with him.
Okay, I'll get out of your hair. And I'll just take all my nice bounty hunting equipment with me, too. You'll have to give me that suit back as well. Then we'll just hope someone else comes along to stop the G3. Yeah, that's what I thought. This is a good thing we got going here. You should all be happy, both of you. You and your mom.
Oh, now I know you're doing this on purpose. I'm the sister, not the mom. But you knew that, didn't you?
Sorry, my bad. You come waltzing back in here stinking like dirty Flimborg. Of course I'm gonna get distracted. You shouldn't be hanging out with that Flimborg boy, you know? Can't trust that species.
Tweeg's harmless and nice. You're being spacist. And he's not my boyfriend. Yet.
Trust me, Flimborgs are bad news.
Come on, have my back here.
Okay, yeah, you got me there.
Thank you. God, I just don't think I can take much more of this guy.
What, you think this is easy for me? If I'm pissing you off, at least you can leave. But my legs don't work. I'm stuck listening to your boy trouble every time I'm trying to watch my stories.
I can't even get peace and quiet in my own home because there's an alien cripple jerking off on my couch 24/7.
Hey, come on. That's a high estimate.
Ew, I was kidding.
Yeah, me too. I was kidding. We all know I was kidding.
Aren't you gonna say anything? Whose side are you on anyway?
Hey, all right. I can see I'm being a little bit of a bother. I mean, look, I'll try to keep it down when I'm watching my stories. Just don't put me back on the streets. I really do want to help you.
Fine, he can stay. But only until he finds somewhere else to go.
I'm grateful. I mean it. But I've already missed half my program, so can everyone just shut the hell up?
Ugh.
All right, that's enough excitement for one day. You got more bounties to get to, kid. And you might want to check out the pawn shop to see what you can spend your new payout on, eh?
Oof, that was tense. It's times like these I'm almost relieved I don't have any family left alive. But not really. I miss them a lot.
Hey, just so you know, you can use the Bounty 5000 to revisit any planet you've been before. There's portal doors all over. You can just use them whenever and grind for money, look for loot you missed, whatever. Up to you. Just thought I'd tell you.
Good luck out there. I'm gonna go explore Blim while you're out there bounty hunting.
Hey, be careful out there. Humans are a valuable commodity. Someone might try to snatch you up.
I can take care of myself, Gene.
Ah, bis in die Kous 동안. Come in. Bye. Bye.
That, huh? Well, it's mine. You can't. Oh, hey, get your hand.
You gotta buy something. You ever been to a store? But thanks for choosing Mr. Keeps to not buy anything.
What?
Hello?
Hi, is this Slippo's Pizza? I want a pizza now! I want it right now! Do you get me? Not in 30 minutes or less or whatever. I need it instantaneous! And I know we have the tech for that. Why are you still delivering pizzas by foot? Just zap them to me. There's like 10 different ways you can do it by now. Portal door, warp base, anything. I don't care. Just get it to me right now. Wait. Never mind. I'm not hungry. Bye.
I'm fine. Just trying to get a lay of the land and meet some people and take my mind off shit. Sorry for making you pick sides earlier. Did you really kill another G3 guy? I mean, when the hell did you learn to do any of this stuff? Was it really just all those shooters you played in your room? Guess I'm glad space gave you an outlet. Who knows what you might have done on Earth?
You better watch your step, kid. I didn't give you all this swag for free.
God, is that Weasel?
Juuna nähtävä koneisiin taas nappisin nähtävässä bye bye.